Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. We have an unboxing to do. A lost art here on YouTube. But, sometimes you gotta go back to the old school, so they say. And so we're gonna unbox the Allegories from the Germania Mint to complete the collection. Here we go. Alright. We're going to use this knife to incise this. Cut it in deep. Yes, indeed. Very cool. Now, this is something that many of us have been waiting for quite some time. And mine, I ordered from Monument Metals. And there is two different coins, not coins. These are actually rounds, technically. Fantasy coins, you may say, because there is a denomination on them. The Germania Mint has provided these. It is a set of coins in different sizes for the Allegories, Germania, and Britannia. And so this is this will complete the full set for me. And there's yet to be released, coming relatively soon, a Columbia and Britannia set as well, and I believe they're going to have all the sizes for those as well, and looking forward to that too. But these are pretty high premium pieces indeed. So there they are, but they've been on delay for quite some time. Was able to source the 5-ounce version, which we have, and we'll show all those together here momentarily. But first, let's take a look here. We have the 1-ounce version, which comes in, does not have packaging with it. Kind of wish it would in order to be consistent as a collector piece. But nonetheless, it does come with a certificate of authenticity, which is nice. So here we go. And I've actually have one of these. But I ordered one of these as well. This is a very nice piece. Comes in a capsule, which is nice. Germania 2019, 5 mark. Very cool indeed. The Germania Mint really does a nice job. Some people have noticed some spotting on theirs. I've not yet seen that here. But the Germania and the Allegories here, between the Germania and the Britannia, is very nice. And it comes in a certificate of authenticity. We'll get this out and see what it looks like, what it says about it. Very cool indeed. Germania Mint, there it is. 1 ounce. And very cool indeed. There we can see the specifications. And this particular one for the 1 ounce is limited to 25,000 pieces. Very cool. Alright, so there that is. That's one piece. And then we have the 2 ounce. And the 2 ounce comes in very attractive packaging here. 2 ounce, the Allegories, Britannia, and Germania. Very nice themed pieces here. Beautiful packaging, as you can see. And you'll notice that I unboxed the 5-ounce version of this in another video. And I'll post a link to that video at the end screen of this video. But here's a certificate of authenticity for it. Very nice. There's the specifications. Very cool indeed. This is limited to 500 pieces. So pretty rare. Pretty rare indeed. Of course, the premiums do match the mintage. So they're pretty high premium for these, but very cool nonetheless. And I'm actually going to put the other certificate of authenticity in with this one. Boy, it'd be nice to find a display for all 3 of these coins, but I think that eventually that would be pretty hard to do. So we'll remove this here. And you can see how thick that is. And boy, it does have some weight to it indeed. Same exact diameter, by the way, which I think is really cool because, I like the thickness. I'm down with the thickness. But the only difference on this is it says 2 ounces. A 4/9 fine silver rather than a 1 ounce of fine 9 silver, or a 4/9 fine silver here. Very pure silver, very nicely done. And here is the reverse. And the capsule here has sort of a rounded lip on it, which is kind of unique for them. But it fits right nicely and snugly in there, which is pretty cool. So I'll put that there, and I'll put this here. So that completes now this particular set of fantasy coins. I'm going to call them fantasy coins here. And this one is the 5 ounce. That you see there. And you can see me unbox that in the end screen of this video. And there that one is. There it is. I'm going to save showing this thickness until so you can see that old video, the 5 ounces. I got this quite some time ago. I'll post a link to that, but very nicely done. There's all 3 of them together. Same diameter for these pieces here. Same diameter, but different thickness, different levels of thickness. So let's pull this out and gander at it all together there. There they all are. Very, very cool indeed. Germania. Germania Mint. Post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching. And encourage you to please rate, share, and overexpose the camera. Yeah, this thing is overexposed big time. That light source, look at how bright that is. Insane. How can I get a good shot of this without... So you can see here, look at that. It's because of the black. Just wanting to really, there we go. There's a good shot. All right. Multitude of gratitude. Rate, comment, and subscribe.